Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to cancel a scheduled payment on your Discover credit card in 2025. Whether you set up a payment by accident, your financial situation has changed, or you just need to adjust your plans, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's quick, easy, and can save you from unexpected deductions, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Discover account. Open your web browser or the Discover mobile app, and enter your username and password. If you haven't logged in recently, make sure to verify any two-factor authentication to keep things secure. Once you're in, head over to the Payments, or Bill Pay, section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, look for the area that shows your scheduled payments. This might be under a tab labeled Upcoming Payments or Scheduled Transactions. Here, you'll see a list of any payments you've set up. Find the one you want to cancel, maybe it's for your credit card bill or another transaction, and click on it to view the details. Now, here's where the magic happens. There should be an option to edit or cancel the payment. Click on Cancel or Delete, and the system will prompt you to confirm your action. Double-check the details to make sure you're canceling the right one, then hit Confirm. Discover might ask for a reason why you're canceling, but that's optional. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After you've confirmed, take a quick moment to verify that the payment has been removed from your scheduled list. You can do this by refreshing the page or checking back in the Payments section. And just like that, you're all set. If you run into any issues, Discover's customer support is available 24/7 through their app or website. Remember, staying on top of your finances is key, especially with features like scheduled payments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.